Hi friends, today in Tech Talk 101 SD. I will tell you about an application that is very much needed for your Windows system. So if you are using Windows OS, you should use it because it could resolve many issues. It will help you to run your Windows OS smoothly. Now first, how you can download this app. First, open the Microsoft Store and search, type WinToys and search it. This is the app, and as you can, it is absolutely free. Now install the app and when done, open it. Now in the home screen of the app, you will see system information, processor information, and also graphics, memory, Windows, and performance information. Then you can see how many apps are installed in your system, how many processes and services are running, how much junk cleanup can be done, how much processor, video card, memory, and network are being used. Now from the left-hand side, go to Apps. You can uninstall apps that you cannot uninstall from the control panel. Now just click on the three dots on the right-hand side of the app you want to uninstall and just uninstall it. Now to the next option, Services. You can see all the services over here. You can stop any service or restart it and also browse from where it is running. Search it over the internet to know more about it or change the mode. Now next is Boost. The first option you will see is Ultimate Performance Power Plan. What it does is explained. It allows your components to consume all the power they need for maximum performance. Next is Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling, which takes high-frequency tasks away from CPU and run them in CPU. Next is Virtualization-Based Security. It creates an isolated virtual space of memory to protect you from malware, other virus and exploits. Then next is Startup Apps, where you can turn on or off any apps from running in startup, or you can also delete if you feel you do not want them in startup. Next is Restartable Apps. It automatically saves restartable apps and restarts them when you sign back into the app again. Then Background Apps. You can turn on or off to allow the app to run in the background. Next, you can turn on or off Activity History that keeps track of apps and services you use, the files you open, and the websites you browse. Next is the Visual Settings, where you can adjust visual effects for best performance. You can turn off the transparency effect if you want. Now next is the Gaming Settings. You can turn on off game mode, turn on or off the background recording, also turn on or off Superfetch. Now next is Search Indexing, which allows indexing of files to run in the background to provide faster search results. Then next is Delivery Optimization. Shares downloaded Windows updates with other devices from your local network or the internet, so you do not need to download them for all devices. Next is Network Adapter. Onboard Processor offloads the network processing from your CPU. These settings will help you tweak system and boost performance. Now next option is Health. You can turn on or off Fast Startup. It will allow your computer to open faster after a shutdown, saving up to 50% of boot time. Next is Hibernation. Saves the state of the OS, including your opened apps on your disk in a file named hiberful.sys. Then next is Drive Optimization. It helps your computer and drive run more efficiently. Next is Storage Sense. It helps automatically clean up temporary system and app files that are not needed. Next is Repair. If you feel you are having issues like lag, blue screen, and others, check DISM and SFC, also CHKDSK, and run Repair. Now next is Cleanup, where you will see options like Junk Files, File Explorer, Microsoft Store DNS, and System Restore. Next options are how you can configure updates. Restart graphics driver if you are having any issues. Then Icons Cache to rebuild the icon cache. The last option is Tweaks. Like in desktop, you can show this PC or turn it off, show Recycle Bin, show the shortcut arrow on shortcuts, and go through the other options, turn on or off as you prefer. Let me know if this was informative for you.